Okay, so good morning, Aryavi, and welcome to another session of Code.org. And let's start our class with riddles first, okay? Okay,
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
presenting my screen. And okay, Aryavi, is it visible to you, my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, child. So here comes the first riddle for you. What is this? Which insect is this? It's an
And
ant. And three shadows are there. Yes? So
yes.
you have to find its correct shadow. Okay? Just see it carefully. And what do you think? Which one is it? Which one is the correct match? One, first one, second one, or the third one?
First one.
First one. Are you sure? Just see it carefully. See its bottom.
Second one.
Yes, very good. Second one is the correct answer. All right. Now this one. Okay. Let's play Sudoku. Now, see, different animal pictures are there, and can you see two smileys are there in the middle? One is pink smiley, other is black smiley. Yes?
Yes.
And the rule is each image should appear only once in each row, column, or diagonally. Okay, now see how you will see row wise. Row wise means sleeping line. You know sleeping line?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the first row. Four animals are coming and all are different.
Yes.
Yes? No one is repeating. Yes?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
second row, no repetition is there.
No, ma'am.
And leave the third one. Now see the last one. No, none of the animal is repeated. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will see vertically means standing line. See the first standing line. Is there any repetition?
No, ma'am.
No. And leave second and third. Now see the fourth one. It's not there. Okay. Now, just like that, we need to choose animals from these four options A, B, C, D, which will take place of this pink smiley. Now, see it column wise. Okay. Vertically, standing line. The second one. See which animal is not coming here.
The walls.
Which one? Tell me the letter A, B, C, or D.
C.
See the second column, Aryaveer.
Column
Second
and
column means second standing line. Okay, how many standing lines can you make here?
Two.
See the see
oh,
the second one. In the second one, first
first
animal
standing
is
line, second standing
fox is there.
line.
Four.
Four. Now see the second one, and three animals are there. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
but one is missing. So which one is missing from A, B, C, or D?
बताओ.
You can see
A.
see A is coming in the last, the blue one.
In the second row, which animal is not there? It's
Okay, see the second column means okay, see the one with pink smiley.
इसमें सारे different है ना.
The
So
one with
first we
pink
have
smiley, just
bear. Bear.
so number is which?
D.
D, very good. So D will take place here. We will replace pink smiley with D. Now just next to it, another column, the black smiley is there. Now see which animal is missing there. See from top to bottom.
A, B, C, or D? Which animal is missing from here?
From top to bottom, the one in which black smiley is there.
A.
Very good, Aryaveer. So A will come here and D will come in second column in place of pink smiley. Very well done. Okay, now which animal is this? Tell me.
Turtle.
And how many turtle are there? Count them.
6.
Very good. Now assume I am adding 0 to 6. 0 means nothing. That means no other turtle is there. Okay? If 6 turtle are here and no one is there on the left hand side. So if I will add 0 to 6 turtle, how many turtles will be there in total?
6.
Very good and very quick. Aryavi, good one. All right. So now three halves are there. What do you think? Which one will match with this left hand side part,
Look,
the bigger part?
look at the eyes and the,
Okay. Yes. On your right hand side, three parts are there. You need to match it with the bigger part.
and it has to be the same eye and the
So
same
the top one, middle one, or bottom one? Look,
middle.
middle one. And which object is this?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. And when you see this pumpkin, this one, when there is Halloween, yeah? You celebrate Halloween in your school? Do you
Yes.
have Halloween party? Okay, all right, great. All right, which cartoon character is this?
Peppa Pig.
You like Peppa? You like Peppa Pig?
No. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
that's okay. You need to spot two differences. So two pictures are there. See, if you can try, just try to find two differences here. Look, everything. Its eyes, its tail, legs, hands, its smile, and even what else is there
The
in the
the
picture?
the second the Peppa was son don't have rays.
Don't have
Rays. He
um
said,
rays. Oh yes, very good. So sun rays are missing, and what else?
"She carefully."
Now see the Peppa Pig carefully.
The second Peppa don't have lines and the third Peppa have lines.
Very good. The outline, the boundary is there with dark red color, but that is missing in the second one. Very good, Aryavi. Good observation. All right. Now you have to find odd one out from these three robots.
The first one
And what is how it is different from others?
because his eyes are square
Very good. And others have which shape?
circle.
Circle. Very good. Yes, the first one is correct. Very good, Aryavi. You did very well. All right. So now let's start with our coding class.
Open
Okay.
the
And
technology.
just present your screen, Aryavi, and keep it shared. Okay.
First present your screen. No, that's the chat box. You have to press share screen. Now start the postcard. So now we go to press code
And
towards
during our session, just keep it shared. Okay.
code.org is this one. Okay. And now you here add it.
Code.org. Shall I Shall I give you the web address for code.org?
Yes, ma'am. Type,
Okay. Okay, just type CODE code.
type. नीचे type. See?
Yes, now just press enter. It will appear. Press enter.
अरे it's coming. Code.org. Press go.
Now just to the extreme right, sign in is there. Very good. And what is your section code? It is V, right? V. V for van.
V,
C for cat.
C,
G for gun.
gun,
W. W for water.
done,
L for lion.
mama,
L.
done,
And last is F. F for fish.
done.
And click on go. Now tap your name.
There's a name here.
Just click on your name. And what is your secret picture?
Angry bird.
Okay, good. Now click on sign in. That orange button just below all these secret pictures.
Oh,
That's okay. That's okay. Just type again. V
V,
C
C,
G
G,
W
W,
L
L,
F.
F.
Click on go. Tap
Tap
your name. Tap it. Yeah, just tap on it only one time. Just click on your name. Click on your secret picture. Now
on
just look down. Sign in is there. Orange button. SIGN. Yes. Now scroll down. Okay. So lesson 4 main sequence till level 12 we have completed. We'll be starting with level 13. So tap on 13 level.
No, no, no. In here.
So whatever is coming in
No,
green
no.
color.
14, 13,
So
13.
are you aware? Whatever is coming in green color, that means we have completed those levels. Okay.
Why
And white.
open level 14?
Okay. Just click. Just before that, 13 is there. Click on it.
Now he click on.
Now next to it. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Carefully. Carefully
wait,
click
wait.
on 13. Just before
White,
14.
white box. 14 से पहले white. Yeah.
Yeah. Now. Okay. So will you read the instructions, Arivi?
Move one where we then
Another.
another
Very
to
good.
get me to the pig.
Very good. So move one way, then another to get me to the pig. Okay, now see, Angry Bird, the direction of Angry Bird it is pointing. So if
Mark
we go, yes,
south, then
one south, then it will change its direction. So which side it will go? West.
west,
And how many west? Just count the number of blocks.
two,
Two. Yes. Then again it will change the direction. It will go up
north,
using north block. Very good. And one last block will be
west.
very good. So tell me how many blocks you have used. Count
Five,
5. Yeah, but we will always consider when run also. As when,
six.
yes,
Upar, the number is always written here.
when run
Then
block will always be your first block in every puzzle. Okay.
first
Now
number
click on run.
that many dots.
Two times west, one north, and one west.
Pig.
got the pig. Click on continue. Okay. Now it's a maze. Which answer solves this level? Before clicking on any option, first see it carefully because you can't undo it. Okay. Now see which first block Angry Bird will use. Which direction it will go?
Then
Okay, very good. First you will tell me, then you will click because you can't undo. Okay. All
west.
right. Okay. Now click on submit. That is the correct answer. Very good. Now do it carefully. See what they are doing. They are matching the shape from left hand side with the shapes towards its right. Okay. Smaller square will match with bigger square. Smaller triangle will match with bigger triangle. And smaller circle will match with bigger circle. Now cross it. Can you see one cross is there? Now see carefully the first picture. How Angry Bird will go to get the pig? Just tell me first before clicking.
Wait. East. Yeah.
East and then
No.
now see where east and then north is there. Just drag and drop it just next to the picture.
No.
Next to it.
East or north? Yeah.
Yes, at the first, yeah. So now you need to replace second question mark. See the picture? Angry Bird will use which path? So first it will go. Are you with? First it will go.
East.
Then
North.
and then.
East.
Now see which set of blocks you will drag here. Very good. All right. So now see the next one. Yeah, now tell me the third one. How it will go? Which direction it will take?
West. West.
Very good. So drag and drop it here. And the last one. First it will go.
East. South.
First it will go. No.
No.
No. You don't. You will not interchange them. Yeah. First it will go. Tell me. It will go west and then.
North.
No, last one will not go north.
West. South.
Very good. So one west and then it will go to south.
No. In
Okay. Okay. Carefully, just yeah, carefully drag and drop it on the last question mark.
drag and drop it to the last question mark.
Okay. Just bring it down, drag it down and drop it on the last question mark. Very good. Now submit it. Orange button, click on submit. That's the correct answer. Very good. Click on OK. Okay, now see bonus level 1. See the first picture, click on it. Okay, now start reading instructions.
Read the instructions.
Arivin,
You
you,
can
yes,
only move up to
4
four times
times
in
each
each
direction.
direction.
Very good. Then can
Can you think
find. Sometimes I will sound as E and sometimes I. So here we'll say find.
find
A,
A
P, A, Th. What it will become?
path.
Yes. B, 4.
Path
Before,
before you
run,
run out of
out, out.
out of blocks.
Very good. So now see the toolbox, Aryavir. 4 direction blocks are there, but one number is there on each block. Which number is there?
11.
No, no, no. See the toolbox where our 4 blocks are there. N, S, E, W. On each block, one number is there. Okay, see the N block, north block. Which number is there on it? See, one number is there in small circle. On the Try to read that number.
11.
Okay, now leave that section, leave that part. Can you see north, south, east, and W blocks? Can you see 4 blocks?
Yes,
Blue
ma'am.
color, and one number is there on each block.
4, 4.
Yes, now you got it. So that means, Aryavir, we can use only 4 blocks, only 4 S blocks, only 4 E blocks, and only 4 W blocks. We can't use more than 4 blocks, okay, in this puzzle. Now, as per instructions, you can only move up. So you can only move up 4 times in each direction. Okay? So how it will go? Okay, first you try, then I will tell you. Now see, number is getting changed. Now there is no south block available for you to use. It won't work. See, one exclamation mark is coming. So that's the reason. So see the path carefully how it will go. Because if you will, okay, one second. Let me open this level.
हो गया गाइस सारा करना है what are
Okay.
side
So just come to my whiteboard, Arivi. Okay, not that one. One second. One second. Why this is coming for me? One second. Okay, so you clicked on second bonus level, not first one. So that's okay. We'll do this one first. Let me. Okay. Can you see my board, Arivi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can't see. You need to switch from your screen to my screen. Do you know how to do that? Okay, wait. That's okay. I will tell you here itself. So 5 south block you can't use REV. See that south block on toolbox. Exclamation mark is coming. That means this is incorrect. As you are using 5 south block. So remove, unhook them, unhook them. Even last one. Yes. Now wait. Wait. Can you choose this path? Because if you are coming down, then you need 5 south blocks. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
But you can't choose this path. Why? Because you can only use 4 south blocks. Try to see other way, other path available. So we can't go down with 4 south block. So is there any other path available? Arivi?
No, ma'am.
Just try to change the direction of Angry Bird. Instead of south, can we choose west first? Try to use west block first and then see. Yes. And how many west blocks are required? Count and tell me. Yes, Arivi, how many? Four.
Four.
Okay. So four west, it will go. First, run till this point. It will be easy for you to understand. How many south are required? Three or
Four.
four? Four. Very good. And then which direction it will take? Toward?
East.
Very good. And how many east?
Two.
Very good. So bring one more and the extra blocks. Yeah, put it into the bin. All right. Very good. Now run your code. Now four down and then last two east and Angry Bird got the silly pig. Very good. Click on finish. Orange one. Yes. Now click on first picture, first bonus level. The second one we did, click on first one. Very good. Now we will read the instructions together. Trace,
Three.
trace
Trace
the,
the.
trace means just see, just look for the path
Just look for the path
and
and
lead
leave
me
me
then
take
to, to,
to the silly pig.
very good. Avoid
Avoid
TNT,
ten
TNT, we'll say TNT only.
TNT
Yes,
or the
or
f-
fair the
feather
feathers, very good.
will
Will fly,
flew
fly. So
lie.
just carefully see the path, just look for the path. To the silly pig, avoid TNT because TNTs are explosives. Okay, so we will not touch them.
Right, it is.
Okay, so okay, first it will go towards west, then it will come down with two south blocks. Again, it will change the direction with which block?
East
East. And how many east?
to
Very good. And in the end,
south.
very good. One south and it's completed. Run and check your code. It will go three west, two south, two east, and one south. Very good. Now click on continue. Orange one. Click on orange arrow, right arrow towards east. Okay, now can you see One orange button is there on the top. Go on to lesson 5. Click on it. So you have completed lesson 4. Very good. And play this video. Great. Okay. So click on continue. Scroll down. One continue button will be there. Okay, now hold on. So this video was about debugging. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of debugging. But before debugging, wait, Aryaveer, wait. Before debugging, just put it back to the bin, the last one. Yeah. Now listen to me carefully first, okay? Then we will do. What is a bug? Any idea, Aryaveer? What is the meaning of a bug?
Insect.
Very good. But in programming language, so bug keeps bugging you, yes? So here also in our programming languages, bug means some error in your code. Error means some mistake is there in your code. Just because of that, your code will not execute perfectly, will not work well. Okay. So debugging means to find that bug and to fix that bug. Okay, that means you must have changed the order of your blocks. It could be the reason that it is not working fine. Yes, so we need to, you are not listening, Aryaveer. So we need to first find the problem and fix the problem. So what we will call this term is, what we will call it when you will find and fix the problem. That means we have debug our code. What we did, we
Debug.
debug, and what we just remove the bug from our code. Okay. Now first read instructions. Then we will start.
Can
Change
change the code code
code. Yes.
to get
To
me to the pig.
okay. Now you need they provided you the code, but it will not work. Why it will not work, Aryavi?
Because there are two is
And we need how many east?
three.
So this code is incorrect. That means bug is there. Now debug it, fix it. How you will fix it? Yes, you will bring one E block from the toolbox and run your code. So you debug this code, Aryavir. Okay? You remove the bug from your code. Click on continue, orange one. All right. So figure out what is missing and then add blocks to get me to the pig. Again, three blocks are there already there on your workspace. Just see, are they correct till this point?
No, ma'am.
So, what is wrong in this code?
It has to go first west to the west,
Yes.
then down north, then two times north.
Okay, very good. So one vest is missing. So yes, bring it from the toolbox. Okay, just okay. Don't remove these blocks. You can drag and keep it aside on your workspace. Okay. Okay. Now let's start. Not an issue. So first you will bring
West.
which block?
West.
Two times. So bring one more and then how many north?
Two.
Two north. One is there on your workspace. Use that one. Okay. Remove these extra blocks from your workspace. The south one also. Very good. So what do you think? Will it work now?
Yes.
Okay. So run and check your code. Two west and two north. Very good. So we are good to go now. Click on orange continue. All right. Something is not quite right. Remove blocks to get me to the pig. Again, okay, now see the workspace. One number is coming in different color. Tell me the numbers
Five.
and second number is.
Three.
So what is the meaning of these three blocks? Why it is written here? What does it represent here? This number three,
Because we are on three level.
not level. We can okay. Tell me how many maximum blocks we can use to solve this puzzle.
Two.
No, see the numbers. The second number will tell you how many maximum you can use.
Three.
Yes. But how many we are using?
Two.
No. Just put, no, wait, Aryavir. Put it back. All the blocks, just put them back. Attach them to the Venn run. Aryavir, click on start over. Can you read start over? STARTOVER. Click on start over. Okay. Can you see where three blocks is written? Yes, Aryavir?
Yes, ma'am.
Just next to it, same line, start over is written. Click on it. START or STARTOVER. Start over. In that purple section, after three blocks, one button is there. Start over. Click on it. Yes. Now orange one. Click orange one, not green one. Yes. Now wait. Don't do anything. Now see the first number. What is the first number? 5.
Five.
Why it is coming in different color? 5.
Means there is a bug in our code.
Yes. Because we can use maximum 3 blocks, but we are using more than 3. 5 we are using. And how many are extra? Tell me. If 3 we can use, 5 we are using. How many?
Two.
Very good. So 2 are extra blocks. So we need to look into it. Now keep it aside. Yes. Now you can do. So first block will be
Done.
very, very good. Now remove other blocks from your workspace. Put them into the bin. You didn't, yeah, the last one as well. Now reset and run. Run. Okay. Click on continue. All right. Run through these blocks and fix them. I think I might be going in the wrong direction. So angry bird is saying, I might be wrong. I might be going in the wrong direction. So we need to correct its direction. Now first see how it will go.
And on his version,
How it will go, Aryavi? First, it will go towards. So first, it will go towards
west,
west. Very good. And then
south,
one south, and then
west.
very good. So the order was different. Yeah, order was different. So we arranged them in proper order. I can't see your screen. What happened? Aryavi, why it's not coming? I think by mistake. Did you press any button? By mistake, I think you stopped presenting. Can you please present it again?
Now he doesn't know how to present.
Okay, okay, one second.
चैट बॉक्स में खोलो ना वहाँ पे ऑप्शन
Share screen. Start.
All right.
Now go to code.org. Yeah.
Okay, great. So attach last west block at the bottom of it and then click on run. So now we have arranged them in proper order. So it will work and we are good to go to our next level. Click on continue.
And when I learn, should be taken to the next.
Okay, lengthy code. But I know Arya we can solve it. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So debug this level by rearranging and changing blocks to get me to the pig. First, it will move in towards east. How many east?
2.
Very good. So bring two east block and then how many down blocks? How many?
1.
One. Are you sure?
2.
Very good. And then again it will change the direction towards towards
East.
and how many east?
2.
Very good. Okay, so run and check your code to south and to east and it got the pink. All right, click on continue. Debug this level by rearranging and changing blocks to get me to the pink. So how it will go? Okay, Arivi, don't remove your code from your workspace. Just keep it aside.
also
Keep
dangerous
it aside.
useful.
All block. Okay, yeah. Now it's fine. And use blocks from these blocks only. Okay, which are there on your workspace. So which will be the first block we'll be using?
East.
Yes. And then it will change the direction. As it can't go forward, it will go
North.
north. And again it will change the direction towards.
East.
Very good. And how many east? One or two?
2.
Very good. So unhook them. Remove, drag from the bottom. Yes. East. And then how many? South.
1.
Very good. So which block is extra for, no, yeah, very good. So E was extra. Okay, it was not required in our code. So remove it from your workspace to the bin. Very good. Now run your code and let's see if it's working fine or not. East, north, then two east, then one south. Very good. Click on continue.
करो देखो देखो मैम बोल रहे हैं आपको
Click on continue.
Click on continue.
Orange arrow, Arivi.
Click on continue.
What happened? Any problem?
Ma'am is not even clicking or anything.
No, no. Any problem are you facing? See that he knows how to click on continue,
Yes, ma'am, and the continue option is coming in front of him.
but he doesn't want to click. Yes,
चल रही है
yes, Arivi.
10-15 मिनट
Yeah.
Now he gets bored of this orange continue. Yeah, yeah.
क्या हुआ
Now orange is no more his favorite color. Yes, Arivi.
अभी थोड़े 5 मिनट 15 मिनट्स बचे होंगे कंटिन्यू लेट्स डू
Okay,
दिस
okay. We'll do this last level. Then we'll have quizzes. Okay,
हाँ क्विज़ेस
okay.
नहीं ओनली क्विज़ेस है 5 मिनट्स बचे हैं
Okay, so this is the last one.
ओके
So it won't work. Why?
He bumped his head.
Yes. So you will debug it. I know Aryavir can debug it. Just remove all these blocks and first reset it.
Reset.
Reset your play area. Yes.
Hey,
So how it will go? It will go 1.
Yeah.
So how it will go, Aryavir? It will go 1 west. Very good. And then it will again change the direction. Which direction it will take?
South.
Very good. And how many south?
2.
2 south. And then
Anvi.
it will again change direction. It will move towards.
East. East.
Very good. And last one will be.
No, no, no.
Last one will be.
South.
Very good. Very well done. Now run your code. And now you can sign out from coder.org. We'll be doing quizzes. Okay.
People sign up.
All right. So I'm sharing link in the chat box.
Link.
मानवी देखो जल्दी बेटे
अरे link.
you have a test about them
Okay. So Aryavi, link is there in the chat box. Just click on it. Okay. You just need to click on it.
No.
Okay. You can play with this name also if you want. Any name you like, any character you like, anything, or your own name. And then click on green start button.
E. P. I.
मानवी
Come.
Okay, click on start, that green one. All right, so I'm starting the quiz.
क्या?
All the best, Aryavi.
Honeybees are arboreal. इनको किनारे.
domestic होता है
Okay, so which one is the correct option from three
इसको
to get the pink?
and then
Two times it will, see the number, two times it will go, three times or four times.
give two examples of domestic animals भाई आप ना give two examples of domestic animals
Okay, now how, which direction it will go? Aryavi, don't wait, take some time, just see the question, then answer, okay? Let me explain you. It will come down, south or north? It will come towards south. Very good.
And we give two examples of
Okay,
five.
so just take time to see the options.
Right? First,
How many times it will go towards
first,
which direction it will take and how many times it will go
nine.
there.
Definition of domestic animal.
Very good.
Domestic animals are the animals which
Okay, again,
answer
first see which direction it will take and two times again it will change the direction and move towards that direction.
and
So
do not.
first it will go
For example,
Yes.
north and then
and then you see for
see
example,
you have enough time to see it carefully the options, okay?
all animals are animals which live in jungle
All right, now see.
and can also
First north it is going, then
harm. For example,
see see carefully how it is going
Right.
and choose the correct option. So first it is going towards north, then east, and then last one is south. So which one is correct from these three? Very good. Very well done.
you can
Okay, so now only two times it will change direction. Only two blocks you will use.
yeah.
Which one you will use? Very good.
The gills can only breathe in
Okay, and all right. So now first it is coming down. Carefully count the blocks, the number of blocks it will use to come down.
The basis of the size, height, and strength.
five.
Okay, see, west was there.
Short
That's okay.
drivers
Definition and
Okay, and the last one is,
big
so
stems.
which one is correct?
For
It is
example,
moving east and south. So count how many east it is going.
yes.
Three, two, or four.
For example, shrubs.
तो मैं उसको second point
Okay, so three time it is going.
में बताया था कल कि क्या define करते हैं दोनों के difference.
They
That's okay.
have green also have green stem. For
So you
example,
got the power up now. Do it carefully.
branches are
Carefully see how it is going. One north and then how many east?
Mama also no.
Two east are one north and two east. Choose the correct option. Which one is correct? With one north and two east.
Shrubs, herbs, trees.
Good.
Shrubs. Shrubs are the plants
All right. Now let's
that
revise which one is correct. And congratulations. Well done, Aryaveer. Good work.
Same size.
Okay. So we'll just see which one. First one was correct. It will go 3 west. You have correctly answered that one. Second one also you have correctly answered. Third one, yes, it will go 3 south. Correctly answered. Next one was incorrect. It will go first 3 down and then 1 west. Okay. This fifth one is correct. Sixth one, it will go 3 east, not 4 east. Okay. That was a mistake there. Choose correct direction. West is the correct direction, but you choose the north one. Next, eighth one is correct. It will go first north, 3 east, and 1 south. And last one is correct. It will go first east and then south. Very good. Okay, Ariveer. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. I'll see you next week. Okay?
Bye, mom.
Take care. Bye. Enjoy your Sunday.
Bye, mom.
Bye.